మనకి in previous session up to now we completed total 8 topics. Okay, the 8 topics are these 8 topics are belongs to the differential equation forms. Means this also differential equation, but here it is a total differential equation. So what is the difference between differential equation and the total differential equation? Means in differential equations, in normal differential equations, we discussed about pdx plus qdy, or that is mdx plus mdy. Okay, here we have only two variable derivatives. Okay, two derivatives means indirectly it is two dimension. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం రెండు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x అండ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y అనే రెండు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కి మాట్లాడే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని జనరల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటారు. అదే విధంగా మనకు టోటల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటే ఏమిటి అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు dx dy తో పాటు dz అనే ఇంకొక డెరివేటివ్ అనేది ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఉంటుంది. అంటే if the question is in the form of p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. If the question is in the form of like this p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0, then the differential equation is called total differential equation. Means if the given question is in the form of p dx plus q dy plus r dz, then the differential equation is said to be total differential equation. అంటే ఇచ్చిన differential equation లో dx dy తో పాటు dz కూడా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఉంటే ఆ differential equation ని మనం total differential equations అంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ మన టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ differential equations మనకు కనబడతాయి. రెండు మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి టోటల్ differential equations ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది, ఇంకోటి సక్సెసివ్ టోటల్ differential equations అని వస్తుంది. అదే లాస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ అన్నమాట. మన ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ లో ఈ 9th టాపిక్ అండ్ 10th టాపిక్ అయిపోయింది అంటే మన టోటల్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, నౌ we will see how to solve this type of problems. So in differential equation, how we have exactness? Here total differential equations also we have exactness. So first of all we have to check the given differential equation is exact or not. If it is exact, we have a procedure to solve the given total differential equations. So how to find here whether it is in exact or not? Okay, see there we have dou m by dou y is equal to dou m by dou x. If dou m by dou y is equal to dou m by dou x, then the given differential equation is exact. Okay, but here we have a like this. Here we have a one expression. If the expression is equal to 0, then the given differential equation is in exact. Means it is in exactness. So condition for exactness is what is p q r. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. Again p q r. So we have to do determinant of this part. If it is 0, determinant of this is 0. That of PQR, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, PQR is equal to 0. Then the given differential equation, total differential equation is in exact. Okay, this is what the condition for exactness. This is a condition for exactness of a total differential equation. So first of all, we have to compare this total differential equation with this general form. There you will find p q r. Then we have to find determinant. If it is 0, then we have a procedure to solve this differential equation. Okay, first we will check whether it is in exactness or not. Okay, now we have to compare given differential equation with, so let it be equation number 1. So compare 1 with p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. అంటే ఇచ్చిన differential equation ని p dx plus q dy plus r dz తో కంపేర్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకి ఇక్కడ p వచ్చేసి y plus 2z. Okay. Now we have to check the exactness. Okay. The condition for exactness. So what is the condition for exactness? That is P, Q, R. So dou by dou x and dou by dou y, then dou by dou z. Again P, Q, R is equal to 0. If here it is equal to 0, then the given differential equation is exact. Okay, we will check. So P means what? Yz plus 2x, and Q means zx plus 2y, and xy plus 2z. So dou by dou x, then dou by dou y, dou by dou z, yz, zx, 2x, and zx plus 2y, and xy plus 2z. So we have to do determinant of this. Okay, how we will do determinant of this? This part into this minus AD minus BC. Normal determinant. How we will do normal determinant? Like that you have to do here determinant. Okay, I am doing just the part here. So yz plus 2x into, so dou by dou y of this part. So dou by dou y of xy plus 2z minus AD minus BC. Dou by dou z of, so dou by dou z of zx plus 2y. So this is only for first one. Okay, now it is plus minus plus. Okay, now minus of zx plus 2y, zx plus 2y. So మనం ఇది తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ కాలమ్ ని ఈ రో ని నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసి AD మైనస్ BC అనుకుంటాం. సో డో బై డో x ఆఫ్ xy plus 2z minus AD minus dou by dou z of yz plus 2z. Dou by dou z of yz plus 2x. Yz plus 2x. So be careful while doing this step. Here these three lines are only one step. So now last one xy plus 2z into, okay, ఇది కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు AD minus BC అవుతుంది. So dou by dou x of this part, dou by dou x of, so zx plus 2y minus dou by dou y of yz plus 2z. Okay, dou by dou y of yz plus 2x. Okay, now the answer of this total should be 0. Then only the given differential equation is exact, right? Yz plus 2x. So partial derivative with respect to y means z will be 0. This will be constant. Here it is only you will find x here. X. So minus with respect to z means this 2y is 0. Here it will be for z1. Here it is also x. Okay. Now minus zx plus 2y. With respect to x means y and 2z is constant. For 2z it is 0. For x it is 1. So y is as it is 1. Minus with respect to z means here also here it is 0 total. Derivative of 2x is 0. With the differentiation of yz, here y should be constant. For z it is 1. So y minus 1 plus xy plus 2z with respect to x means here it is 0, here you will find z With respect to y means here z should be constant, z minus z, here it is 0. So x minus x is 0, y minus y is 0, z minus z is 0. So finally this is 0. Okay. Therefore the given differential equation satisfying the exactness condition for exactness. Therefore equation 1 is exact. Okay. Therefore equation 1 satisfies condition for exactness. Condition for exactness. Okay. So general solution of 1 will be now. So general solution of 1 is how we have to do means we have to multiply this with this dx, the 2x with dx, and the next part means we have to split it into for each and every term. అంటే ప్రతి టర్మ్ కి ఈ dx dy dz ఇక్కడ లోపల ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసి మనం రీఅరేంజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకు కొత్త పార్ట్ వస్తుంది, వేరియబుల్స్ అవైలబుల్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. సో దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకు కావాల్సిన సొల్యూషన్ ఈ పార్ట్ ఎంత చేసామంటే if here it is exact then only we have to proceed this way. If it is not an exact we can't find this procedure. Now what I am explaining that procedure we can't find, right? Okay. yz into dx plus 2x into dx zx into dy and then 2y dy plus xy dz plus 2z dz is equal to 0. Okay. Now see yz plus zx plus xy is xy plus yz plus zx. So xy dz plus 2yz dx plus zx dy. I am writing this as one pair. See 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz is equal to 0. So if you apply integrating on both sides, here nothing problem. For x integration is here dx and here x, here y, here dy, here z dz. So this part is no problem for the while doing integration. Whether if you come this side, here xy, here z. Okay, here we can't find integration. So if you observe this total part, it is like differentiation of x, y, z. Okay. U into v derivative plus v into u derivative plus means how we will do u v w derivative. U v w differentiation of u v w is u v into w derivative plus v w into u derivative plus u w into v derivative. ఓకే, మనం ఏవైతే రెండు పార్ట్స్ బయట సైడ్ తీసుకుంటామో థర్డ్ పార్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో 3 టైమ్స్ అలాగే వస్తుంది. ఇది UVW డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, సో బై యూజింగ్ దట్ ఫార్ములా ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ టోటల్ పార్ట్ యాస్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ x by x. సో ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ దట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 2x dx plus 2y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So if you do integrating on both sides, you will get required general solution of a even total differential equation. See, so integration of differentiation of x y z plus 2x dx integration of 2y dy plus integration of 2z dz is equal to integration of 0. Okay, so integration of 0 that will be constant. No need of writing this integration of 0. Write as directly c. C is a arbitrary constant. plus 2 into y square by 2 plus 2 into z square by 2 is equal to c. Here 2 1 cancel. 2 1 into 1 2 1. So x y z plus x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c. So therefore required general solution of a given total differential equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus x y z is equal to c. So this is our required general solution of a given differential equation. Okay, I hope all you understand. So this is very important topic, and one more topic we have successive differential equation. So that is 10th topic. On this 9th topic I will explain one more problem tomorrow. So thank you for watching.